you receive a lot of newsletters that are cluttering up your inbox? Still want to see what's new from time to time? Labels menus might help you. First of all, it's important to protect your inbox by setting up a filter for each newsletter you receive. Once you've done that and you have a structure similar to this, do the following. Send yourself an email. Enter newsletters in the subject line. Move the incoming mail to the newsletters like this. Now, click on the newsletters label and open the email. Then, on this email, put every label that is related to your newsletters, like this. Let's make 2 or 3 newsletters that are particularly important to you to stand out. And we got the Labels menu. When we click on a label, all newsletters from a certain sender are filtered. Want more tricks like this? Subscribe, like, or write to us.